So this is the first page that welcomes you when you log into Agent Gold AI. So the first page is the ideas page, and here we have get inspired by your top videos. These are the videos that performed well on your channel, and Agent Gold essentially analyzes these videos and gives you further video ideas that would also perform well. And the second one is content your audience likes. Agent Gold analyzes your personal audience, which means it creates this audience persona and then gives video idea suggestions to this specific audience persona that you already have, which is customized and personalized for you. And the third one is your recent videos, which means the last couple of videos you have uploaded to YouTube. Agent Gold analyzes these videos and gives you video ideas that you can make around these recent videos that you have. So here's how you can take action. You can favorite an idea, you can go like this, as well as you can also explore similar ideas by clicking onto one of these ideas right here. And I think I can make a video on my YouTube channel around how to skyrocket your productivity in just one day. So let's click onto it together. And when you click onto an idea, this idea lens essentially pops up. And this idea lens means you can get more ideas similar to this idea that you clicked on. Let's say you want to make a video around this, but you don't want to make that specific video. You want to make something similar. These are the similar ideas that you can take. And for this specific video idea, you can get a script outline by just clicking here. And this is the potential script idea that popped up. You can directly use this while you're making your own video or get ideas from the script. And if you don't like it at all, which I don't think that's going to be the case, you can also regenerate it from here, also copy the script. By clicking onto the description tab, you can get a video description for your video. So you don't have to manually create your own description. A description like this by Agent Gold AI can pop up and you don't have to do the bare work yourself. This can just pop up in like 2 seconds. Obviously, you can regenerate it completely as well as copy and paste this to your YouTube studio. And by clicking onto here, you can get video hooks for a specific YouTube video. And what that means is the 3 to 5 seconds in the beginning of your video. These are 5 ideas that you can use as well as you can regenerate them, which I love using. Another feature Agent Gold has is basically videos by other creators. What that means is, for this one specific video idea that you want to make on your channel, here are the other videos similar to that video idea that actually performed well. I know that because I do this all the time. Whenever I want to make a video, I go onto YouTube, search up the title, and look at the similar videos that people made and also that performed well. And you don't have to do it yourself. Agent Gold essentially does that for you. And the last thing you're going to see on this page is ideas for audience, how to skyrocket your productivity in just one day. And here's the thing, Agent Gold essentially analyzes the audience of this idea that will probably watch this video, and then it gives that to you by clicking onto the Analyze Audience tab. And here you see busy professionals seeking efficiency tips. Now, here's the killer thing. You can customize this however you like. And after you customize this audience, which you can customize is literally however you like, you click onto ideas for audience and a completely new page for this audience pops up. And in this page, you can essentially get specific video ideas for this audience as well as other videos that are on YouTube right now that performed well for this specific audience that you're searching for, which is a killer feature. And one feature I absolutely love from Agent Gold is in the Get Inspired By tab, you can enter any YouTube channel that you personally get inspired by, and let's just do that and see what happens. And boom, I entered MrBeast and here's what happened. Agent Gold gave me video suggestions that are in MrBeast style, but for my own channel. So basically, these are ideas that you can make on your own channel, but in MrBeast style. Let's actually pick one of these ideas and actually log into it. Now, I think I would be able to do this video idea. Extreme 5-day discipline challenge, can you survive? And when you click onto it, another idea lens essentially pops up. And what that means is you can get an outline, a description, a hook, analyze the audience, more ideas, get everything that you need from here. And another tab that we have is called the titles for me. So in this feature, what you can do is you can enter a full script, a short description, bullet points, or the captions of the video that you want to make. And then this feature is going to spit out titles that you can use for your video. So let's do it together. So I just wrote here a simple prompt, which is how to create yourself a vegan, low-calorie meal plan. And these are the video titles that popped up. Agent Gold divides these video titles to 2 essentially categories. And these are My Style and the Click Magnet. My Style means these are titles looking at the titles you have on your YouTube channel. We look at how you title your own videos, thus we give you title suggestions that you would use on your own channel, and the Click Magnet is essentially what actually works on YouTube. So these are the best practices that YouTubers use that are proven to get views. You can favorite these titles, you can copy these titles, as well as just click onto them, and then this opens up a completely new idea lens where you can get more ideas, again, script, description, outline, as well as hook, and completely analyze the audience. This is basically an amazing way to increase your CTR on YouTube. And the next step that we have is called My Videos. And you guessed it right, these are my videos that I personally have made on YouTube. Now, what we can do here is you can actually get suggested titles for the videos you have already made if you want to increase the CTR of those videos by just clicking here. And boom, these are the click magnets for the best practices on YouTube, as well as my style titles that I can just copy and paste into my YouTube studio, as well as you can get descriptions for these videos. Let's say you have made this video and you have uploaded it to YouTube, but you haven't made it public yet, as well as you don't have a description. Boom, log into here, get your description and copy and paste it. It's done in 5 seconds. Also, just like that, you can also get timestamps for this video as well. Just like this, Agent Gold is going to give you the timestamps that you can just completely copy and paste to your YouTube channel, so you don't have to watch your video back and manually do them yourself, which always saves time.